Guys, I just won Japan. Whammer. Hi. Oh. Hi. Huh? What the f- Having some pork cutlet, tempura. Look at that. Beautiful.
Look at that subtle off-white coloring. The tasteful thickness of it.
We got some more stuff. Rice. Ham miso. Don't know what that is. Itadakimasu.
Breaking news.
Huh? Going to the Shinjuku National Garden. You can already hear the cicadas. So dang loud. Oh my gosh, it's Genshin Impact. Godzilla-san, yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Okay.
Dr. Pepper. Whoa. We're having Xiaolong Bao in Japan.
We're China, baby.
Tricked you. We just finished our dumplings and we're going to freaking McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's. What do you think? McDonald's. Yosh, eat the koi. I got a chicken that you shake, a chicken burger, and a McFlurry lychee, I think. So can you hold this for a second? I'm gonna shake this. So there's red pepper, and then you just open it. Spill it everywhere. You put half? Half? Probably not. I think I got the dust everywhere. Alright. Itadakimasu. So Tom ordered a green burger.
Yeah, it's a Krabby Patty.
What's in? Is that like Wagyu beef?
Huh?
I think that's Wagyu beef, right?
Is it? I don't think. Is it real?
I think it. Wait, yeah.
You want to take a look? I think it's like wasabi.
No, it's
like
the green's like lettuce.
Rotten wasabi.
I can smell it from here. I think you might be right. You just take a bite. Did you hear that crunch? We're watching anime on TV. Whoa! I found my home. Gamers.